Hello, little stars! I'm so glad you're here today. Get comfy, grab your mat, and take a nice deep breath with me. Today we're going to move, stretch, and breathe together to feel strong, relaxed, and happy. When you're ready, let's start our yoga adventure. Let's get started. Stand tall with your feet on the mat. Feel the ground holding you up like a friendly floor. Arms by your sides, shoulders soft. Imagine you are a calm mountain. Thoughts can be like windy clouds, but the mountain stays steady. Take a slow breath in and a slow breath out. Say quietly, I am here, I am steady. Step your feet a little wide and reach your arms out and up like a bright star. Stretch your fingers like you're turning on your sparkle. Big inhale, and as you exhale, let your shoulders drop down. If your mind feels busy, picture each breath polishing your star until it shines. Feet hip width. Bend your knees like you're sitting on an invisible chair. Reach your arms forward or up, whatever feels best. Your legs are strong like superhero springs, but your face stays soft. Inhale, I am strong. Exhale, I can relax. Stand on one foot. Place your other foot on your ankle or your calf, not on your knee. Hands at your heart or reaching up like branches. Imagine roots growing from your standing foot, deep into the earth. If you wobble, that's just the wind. Trees wobble too, and they come back. Breathe in, breathe out. Find one spot to look at. Slowly fold forward. Let your head and arms hang like a floppy rag doll. Bend your knees as much as you need. No pulling. Imagine any tight thoughts dripping out of your head down toward the floor, like raindrops. Take 2 slow breaths here. Heavy head, soft neck. From hands and knees, walk your hands forward and lower your chest toward the mat. Hips stay up. Forehead can rest down if it feels good. You're a sleepy puppy stretching after a nap. Breathe into your ribs and back, like you're inflating a little balloon there. Exhale and melt a tiny bit more. Lie on your belly, hands under your shoulders, legs long behind you. Inhale, lift your chest a little. Keep it gentle, like a small cobra waking up, shoulders away from ears. Exhale, lower down. If you want, make a soft hiss on the exhale to let extra energy leave your body. Tuck your toes and lift your hips up and back into an upside-down V shape. Bend your knees if your legs feel tight. Totally okay. Pedal your feet like a happy dog walking in place. Imagine you're shaking out worries from your paws. Inhale, exhale, shake, shake, then get still. Sit down. Bring the bottoms of your feet together and let your knees fall open. Hold your feet gently. Flap your knees softly like butterfly wings. Now slow the wings. Slower, slower. Imagine your breath is a warm breeze that helps the butterfly rest. Lie on your back. Hug your knees to your chest. Let your knees fall to one side, arms open like a T. Turn your head the other way if it's comfortable. Imagine your belly is a washing machine on a gentle cycle, swishing away busy thoughts. Breathe in, breathe out, then switch sides. Lie down comfortably, arms by your sides, palms up. Let your eyes close or soften your gaze. Your body is resting on the earth like a leaf floating on a quiet pond. Thoughts might still pop up like little clouds. You don't have to chase them. Just watch them pass across your quiet sky. Take 3 slow breaths and feel how calm you can be. Well done, little yogis. You moved with care, stretched your bodies, and breathed so calmly today. If you enjoyed our yoga time, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun adventures. You can also share this with your friends and practice together next time. Take 1 big breath in and a slow breath out. Smile, rest, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now, yoga friends.